I want to see 10 millimeter to 18 millimeter at 24 inch in length to 30 inches in length. Oh, wow. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. What's going on, everybody? Very happy and super excited to be here today. We have a couple of amazing pieces of merchandise that we're going to be unboxing today. Now, before we go ahead and unbox these items, I just want to thank the beautiful companies that lent their merchandise to me in order to do this video. We have Luke Zion and we have Daniel Jewelry Inc. Thank you both very much. The fact that you guys are supporting this channel and supporting the amazing viewers of this channel when they ask to see something really means a lot. Keep that in mind. You have two huge players over here. We got gold and we got silver, cream of the crop on this channel. Very grateful to have you guys here. Thanks again for supporting the people who asked to see your merchandise, who asked to see sizes and shapes. And let's get into the quality that these two companies have to offer. Wow. My arm is going to be getting tired. Can you guys hear this? We have a 12 millimeter, 26 inch chain here from Luke Zion. As you can see, this is a rope chain. The subscriber was asking to see rope chains in larger sizes and larger lengths. So again, Luke Zion and Daniel Jewelry Inc. to the rescue. Check this out. Listen to that. Man, does that sound pretty amazing. I want to hang this up on my porch and just let the wind blow. I take this 12 feet back, and then we're going to compare it to the piece of merchandise that we received from Daniel Jewelry Inc. Check that out. Wow.
The Iceman cometh.
Well, I'm going to have some back problems after today. See that neck profile? Absolutely insane. You can definitely see it through the shirt, but if you're wearing something like this, you want to be noticed, and you're going to get noticed. Let's bring it back 12 feet away. Remember, guys, I'm 155 pounds today. I am 5'6", and we're taking this 12 feet back. Joe is going to have back problems by the end of this video. Thank you, Dennis. Now, let's see what David sent. So in case you all don't know anything about Daniel Jewelry Inc., you're going to get your piece of merchandise in about three boxes.
These elite security forces use the best weaponry and employ the most effective tactics that money can buy. If you've got the cash, well, they've got the firepower.
You might receive an amazing hat like I did. David, thank you so much for this. And you're going to have this beautiful box, well, or something similar, to go ahead and showcase your merchandise in. This is pretty legit. You got a light up box. I don't want to give this back, bro. Oh, wow. I cannot even explain to you guys how happy I am that these amazing companies go ahead and oblige us little people with these amazing products. Thank you so much again, guys. We have around the neck a 10 millimeter 32 inch diamond cut rope chain from Daniel Jewelry Inc. 14 karat, in case I didn't mention that yet. Let's go ahead and take this 12 feet back to give you guys an idea of what this is going to look like on you, all right? Now, again, we're going to be comparing the two chains that we received from Daniel Jewelry Inc. and Luke Zion. We're going to be comparing them side by side to show you guys a difference between the 10 and the 12 millimeter. And we're also going to compare those lengths, all right? Check that out. Let's throw this in the shirt to give you guys an idea of what this is going to look like if you go ahead and want it for that neck profile. This thing is super heavy, and after this video, again, I'm going to need some kind of corrective surgery. Check that out. Definitely seeing it through the shirt, but again, just like with our piece from Luke Zion, if you're wearing one of these, you want to get noticed, and you will get noticed. There's no way you can hide that underneath your shirt, and you probably want to see it popping through your shirt if you're wearing something like this in the first place. I am really digging this hat. 12 millimeter 925 silver diamond cut rope chain, 26 inches, compared to a 10 millimeter rope chain at 36 inches. Check out these beauties. Let's throw these around the wrist. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Unreal. Unreal. Gorgeous. Look at those colors. Man, that is wild. That is wild. Silver that looks like it's rhodium plated gold. Man, these are some heavy chains. My arm is getting tired. I'm going to have back problems. I really hope that the subscriber sees this video, because let me tell you, this is like a once in a lifetime kind of thing. Two of the biggest guys in the game. We got the silver game and we got the gold game. Super excited. I'm going to have to take a picture of myself and frame this to remember what this felt like, because unfortunately I can't keep this stuff. Wow. Wow. Mind blowing, all right? So, yeah, I do feel it in my lower back. Somebody call a hospital. Let's bring it back. 12 feet. Again, I'm 155 pounds. 5'6", 12 feet away. What do you guys like better? Let me know in the comments. What are you guys feeling? Do you like yellow gold? Do you like white gold? Do you like silver? Do you like rhodium plated stuff? What lengths and widths do you guys go for? Would you ever consider purchasing any of this amazing stuff that I don't deserve to have hang around my neck right now? I was so excited to take this stuff out that the table's a mess, you know, nothing's in order, but I could not help it. Now, normally I don't go weighing jewelry. I don't do it. Every company's different. Every brand has different stuff. It weighs different. But we're going to go ahead, since this is a really special occasion. Again, two of the biggest players in the game on one table, around one neck, loving it. Daniel Jewelry Inc. This weighs in at 240 grams. 14 karat gold. Again, we're looking at a 32-inch, 10 millimeter rope chain. We're going to place this back in this gorgeous display case here. Something that looks like it belongs in a museum. My table is definitely not deserving of having these items on it. Let's go weigh this. 925 from Dennis over at Luke Zion. Biggest silver guy in the game. 295 grams. This stuff's going to hurt you. 290. Well, it balanced off at 290. 290. All right. So we got 290 grams on this. Man, this is gorgeous. Wow. It's beautiful. So what do you guys think? Have you ever purchased from Daniel Jewelry? Have you ever purchased from Dennis over at Luke Zion? I know a lot of you guys have. And as you can see, these are both very quality pieces of merchandise. Very grateful to these gentlemen for supporting this channel. So you guys know that we do things a little bit differently on this channel. We mainly focus on sizing. We mainly focus on widths. We don't necessarily focus on brands. But let me tell you, when you have amazing brands like this, come out and go on a limb and support a channel like mine. I cannot express the gratitude enough. Let's take this 12 feet back. Check out the differences again. One more shot, guys. Let's look at this. Very, very happy, very, very excited, and very, very appreciative, again, to these two companies. I've said it many, many times, and I'll continue to say it. Not every company is the same. You can go ahead and purchase a chain such as one of these chains from somebody else, but it doesn't mean you're going to get the customer service. It doesn't mean that you're going to get the types of people that you're going to be dealing with when you deal with people like Dennis from Luke Zion and when you deal with people like David from Daniel Jewelry Inc. Very, very excited, very, very happy to be here today, and very, very privileged to have you guys come onto this channel to be able to support us. What are your preferences? What do you think about the millimeters? What do you think about the lengths? What do you think about the gold? What do you think about the silver? And what do you think about it together? What are your opinions? Check this stuff out. Mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for your amazing requests. I really hope that the subscriber was able to benefit from this. I look forward in the future to touching some more widths, some more lengths. in this particular category of larger chains, definitely look forward to doing that. But right now, I'm gonna have to go to the hospital for my back. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Be safe, and I'll catch you all at the next video.